to and fro, forward and backward, to angle, to freeze, to ascend, mount the throne, to become king, queen, etc. To be at home, to be at ease, to be devil's advocate, to present a counter argument just for the sake of it, to be fair and square, to be honest, to be floored, puzzled, to be in a fix, in a difficult situation, to be in a quandary, to be in a confusing situation, to be light years away, to be too distant for human beings to reach, to be moved to tears, to be overwhelmed with emotion, to be off your foot, to have no appetite, to be on pins and needles, to be in an agitated state of suspense, to be on the horns of a dilemma, a difficult situation, to be taken aback, to be surprised, to be thrown in at the deep end, learn to do the difficult things too soon, to be tight-lipped, to keep quiet, to beat a retreat, to run away in fear, to beat the air, to make efforts that are useless, to beat the bend to a huge or the greatest possible extent, to beat the clock, to perform a task within the time limit, to beat the rep, to be acquitted of a crime, to blow hot and cold, to be friendly and unfriendly at the same time, to blow one's own horn, to praise oneself, to break into tears, to cry suddenly, to break loose, to ice it, to beat the tape, to win a race by a narrow margin, to breathe one's last, to die, to bridge the gap, to reduce differences and reconcile, to bring to light, to reveal clearly, to burn one's fingers, to suffer unpleasant consequence as a result of one's actions, to burn the candle at both ends, you work excessively hard, keep busy all the time, to call a spade, to be frank, say the truth about something even if it is not pleasant, to catch someone's fancy, to appeal to someone, to catch up with, to come to their level, to clear the decks, to remove obstructions, to clip one's wings, to restrict someone's freedom, to come clean, to make a honest disclosure, to come out into the open, to become public or evident, to come round, to become conscious again, to crow over something, to reveal boastfully over something, to cry wolf, to ask for help when you won't need it, to raise a false alarm, to judge one's brains, to think hard, to cut a long story short, to tell something briefly, to cut a sorry figure, created a wrong impression, to cut both ends, to argue in sport of both sides, to cut my teeth on, to gain experience, to cut one's coat according to one's cloth, live within one's means, to cut the crackle, to stop talking and start working, to die in harness, to continue occupation till death, to do the dishes, to wash and dry dishes, to doctor the accounts, to manipulate the accounts, to draw the long bow, to exaggerate, to eat a humble pie, to accept defeat, suffer humiliation, to eat one's own words, forced to retract one's own statement, to end in smoke, to come to nothing and without any practical result, to explore every avenue, to try every opportunity, to fan the flames, to make a bad situation worse, to feel at home, to feel easy and comfortable, to fight tooth and nail, to make every possible effort, to fish in troubled waters, to take it, to make a profit out of disturbance, to flog beat a dead horse, to attempt to do the impossible, to foam at one's mouth, to get very angry, to be embraced and show it, to gain ground, to make progress, to gather roses only, to seek all enjoyments of life, to get away with, to isolate from something, to get cold feet, to experience nervousness or anxiety before one attempts to do something, to get more dicks than half-pence, harsh treatment than rewards, to get one's own back, to get one's revenge, to get gird up the loins, to prepare for hard work, to give the devil his due, to give encouragement even to the enemy, to go bananas, to become very excited or angry, to go nuts, to become crazy, to go off the air, to stop broadcasting a radio or TV program, to go red in the face, to feel impressed, to go scot-free, to isolate without punishment, to go the whole hog, to do something as completely as possible, to go to somebody's head, to damage or weaken your judgment, to go to the devil, to be in an extremely and increasingly bad or ruinous condition, to go run around in circles, to waste one's time and energy doing trivial things, to hail from, to come from, to hammer out, to arrive at an arranged agreement, to hang together, to be connected with each other, to have a blast, to have a good time, to have a gut feeling, strong instinct, to have a jaundiced eye, to be prejudiced, to have a nodding acquaintance with someone something, know somebody something slightly, to have a yearn for, to have a very strong and continuous desire or craving for something, to have at one's fingertips recall of factual information at one's command, to have eggs on one's face, to be embraced because of one's action, to have second thoughts, to reconsider, to have something on the brain, to be obsessed with something, to have something up one's sleeve, to have a secret plan, to have a sigh of relief, to suddenly feel very happy because something unpleasant has not happened or has ended, to reach heart's content as much as he wanted to hit below the belt, to attack in